Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our showcase presentation for a machine that you would never believe is possible, the Dominator XL. Let's see and break down what happens when you mix a skid steer platform with motorsport DNA. Immediately we see how the skid steer is infused with motorsport character. Here in our first detailed explode, we can see one of the electric motors providing the necessary power for each wheel, with a total of 4 electric motors directly inspired by the latest 2021 F1 technology. The wheels are provided with a staggering 522 kilowatts of power. Focusing on our engine assembly now, you may notice that our engine assembly is quite unique, as it is not your typical inline or even V-shaped internal combustion engine. Instead, it is a diesel-powered, forced induction opposed piston engine, in which each cylinder has a piston at both ends. Focusing on the heart of our engine, the piston. Here we see more vital components, the fluid pumps. As we can see in the exploded animation, the fluid pumps are comprised of parts such as impellers, gaskets, seals, etc. Moving on to our forced induction system, the supercharger increases the pressure of intake air, providing larger power output. Now we do a simple explode showcasing the rotary motion of the 2 internal lobes. In the detailed exploded view, we are able to see all the pieces the supercharger is comprised of. Here's a quick detailed glance at the fuel injector. This is what the mechanical motion of the mighty opposed piston engine looks like on the inside of the Dominator XL. And finally, looking at the breakdown of one of the wheels, notice the wheel on our skid steer is not equipped with typical pneumatic tires nor solid tires. Instead, we use mechanism wheels as they provide enhanced agility through omnidirectional movement. Following with some interesting shots, further displaying the skid steer, we can see functional hydraulic bucket in the front, used for weight distribution, and the GT-style carbon fiber spoiler providing downforce and stability at high speeds. This concludes our presentation on the Dominator XL.